Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you fashion-conscious folks out there. We're diving into the world of wallets, and we found what we believe is the best wallet card holder on the market, the TRAVANDO Men's Slim Wallet with Money Clip Austin. Stick around because you won't want to miss this. This wallet isn't just about carrying your cards and cash. It's a statement piece that combines style, functionality, and security. With 116,540 ratings and a 4.4-star rating, it's time to find out why this wallet is making waves. Let's kick things off with the design. The TRAVANDO Austin wallet offers a sleek and slim profile, measuring just 4.5 inches by 3.1 inches by 0.6 inches when closed and empty. It's designed to fit perfectly in your pocket without bulging out. One of the standout features of this wallet is the integrated metal money clip. It's not just for holding your bills. It keeps them neatly organized, preventing them from getting crumpled or lost. No need for a separate money clip here. Now, let's talk security. This wallet has your back with RFID protection. Tested by an independent German quality control institute, it blocks the 13.56 MHz band, protecting your cards from data theft by RFID scanners. With 11 card pockets and an outside notch for easy access, this wallet is perfect for carrying your business, credit cards, and bills. Plus, there are hidden slots for those cards you want to keep out of sight. The clever layout of card slots and money clip offers enough space for all your needs while keeping the wallet slim and convenient. TRAVANDO wallets are known for their premium build quality. This one is made from carefully selected, quality-tested materials, assembled with precision for long-lasting durability. Take a look at the precise stitching. It not only adds to the wallet's longevity but also enhances its overall aesthetic appeal. This wallet comes in luxurious gift packaging, making it the perfect present for yourself or someone special. The box can even be repurposed as an elegant storage container for jewelry. Before we wrap things up, don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews. So, is the TRAVANDO Men's Slim Wallet with Money Clip Austin the best wallet card holder on the market? In our opinion, it certainly checks all the boxes: style, functionality, and security. With its sleek design, RFID protection, and integrated money clip, it's a top-notch accessory that combines elegance and practicality. That's it for today's review of the TRAVANDO Austin wallet. If you're in the market for a new wallet, we highly recommend giving this one a try. Thanks for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.